What's up? Today we're doing the rear end. Not that rear end. This rear end. Yeah, so we tried to just take the bolts out, figuring, oh, they just come out. No. All the bolts are really rusted. And I don't think we've ever been out of the car, so sprayed it with PB Blaster, went and got some lunch, and now we're going to see. Did you spray this one?
Ugh. What?
Did you spray this bolt over here?
Yeah. It's just dry already.
Oh, okay. So, let's see if it works now.
Alright, so, everybody does this, right? Lefty-loosey, right?
Yeah.
Tighty?
So you see it'll pull down.
I don't think this is gonna work, fella.
It'll work.
Just
man up.
Just, can we take the wheel off and get like a fucking...
I know you're just asking a lot.
You bitch. How about a breaker bar?
Fine. Jack handle.
Jack handle.
On its way. On its way, sir. So, bolts don't come out. And now we get to use one of my favorite tools. Sawzall. When the motor blew up on drag week, we had just filled up like maybe 20 miles before it blew up.
Yep.
So the gas tank is filled with 93 octane all the way to the top, like 13 gallons. And it's looking like the only way to get the rear end out is take the gas tank out.
Heat the bolts up.
But the battery's not in the car, so I can't run the electric fuel pump. And I'm just kind of being lazy because it's Saturday and I'm tired. I'm a little hungover. But I guess we're going to do, because we have to get the rear end out.
Can't we just snip the wire to the fuel pump and then...
Yeah, we can.
Fucking...
Yeah, we can snip the wire to the fuel pump, but then we got to rewire it in and like, crimp it and all that.
I mean, that sounds like a better idea than...
Fine. Make another attempt at sawzalling it, because that's really what I want to do, is just sawzaw it off.
What would Freiburger do? Freiburger?
I thought Freiburger would do the sawzall.
Sawzall, yeah.
And that seemed like a very roadkill thing to me. Yeah, I should go get another blade. Let's try another blade. Blade number 2. Let's try that. Dude, this is frustrating. That bitch just turned. I just got it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Leverage.
There's one.
Well, it ain't out yet. Yes! It's going. I'm so tired. Why did I drink so much last night?
You're doing a great job, Speedy.
This bolt, why are they so long?
Is it spinning on the other side? You make sure that it's not actually...
No, but it's hot as f.
See? If you heat it up... that PB Blast tastes great.
Yeah, it's good stuff. That tire's gonna come off, doesn't it?
Yeah.
God damn
Yep.
it. Other way.
God damn it.
Yep.
I'll learn it one day.
Grab onto something rusty. Ooh. Hercules! Hercules!
Hercules!
Cheers. To 4 bolts. That actually aren't even out yet. Just the nuts are off it.
I could just use the correct size. But I like to do the hard way. with the incorrect tools? It's just me.
I'm gonna unbolt the whole shackle from the car, rather than trying to, because the bolt's not gonna come out because the body's in the way.
That's what I'm saying. This.
Yeah,
that.
there's 3 bolts there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use an impact to do it.
Yep.
Because I'm intelligent and resourceful.
Do you have a real tool to?
Yeah, coming at you.
But the tire's in the way.
What do you need, a ratchet?
Yep. Oh, an opening wrench.
Size 9/16?
Yep.
I got you.
Hopefully. Can
Coming at you.
press it maybe.
Pass me that impact. Ooh, that one wasn't happy. This side's out.
Huh?
The side shackle's out. Rear end's almost out. Dude.
I can't do it by fucking hand. I shit you
Like, honestly,
not. This is
time lapse would be like not even helpful. It is taking you years to take that fucking nut off.
It's like you spray painted it and it's fucking gummed up and shit.
What, me spray paint something? I don't think so.
10 minutes later. Garcia's still.
Oh, these are only the best quality Summit $13 fucking drag shocks
Yeah.
that are 3-way adjustable.
Ooh.
But they don't click or anything like that. You can just spin them. So you don't really know whether it's like soft
setting
or
you're
medium or hard. Next YouTube episode, Garcia spends 30 minutes undoing 1 bolt.
It's long to pull out.
No, it should not.
Like, it should be like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Hashtag Rusty Z28.
Well, I mean, next time. Oh yeah, that's not coming off. Should I just cut the rubber line? This rubber line looks really rough anyways, so it should come off. Ooh, I'm just gonna cut the line, because that's never coming off, ever. It's just a part of the car now. There it is. Oh, I was almost through. Like, that's almost halfway.
No, that's not even an eighth. A third.
So
I give you a third.
I almost got through that.
I give it a third.
Rear end out. Got the springs off. All that, ready to go. Been a pretty productive day. We also did the other door, like from the previous video with the door beam. Took care of that and fixed up the firewall. Looks pretty nice. Unfortunately, well, fortunately really, the power window motor went out in the driver's door. I couldn't get the window to go up and down, so we're just gonna go manual windows. Order the regulators and do manual windows on it. But that's another story for another time. I'm gonna clean up today and head home. See y'all later. So I've been bad. I haven't been filming the last few things I've done to the car. Just been a little sick and haven't really felt like getting the camera out. Bad on me. But I wanted to give you an update at the end of this video to show you what the progress has done and where we're at on the car. The rear end is in, along with the new brakes are mocked up right now. Run some brake lines. I need to modify them and cut them and do all that. We got the Caltrac monoleafs. There's the 9-inch. Got the master cylinder in and kind of plumbed. Not really. I still have some work to do on that. Still got to put up the line lock and things. Built a new brake pedal, or modified the original brake pedal down there. Still need to clean up all the wiring and stuff. So while Rusty's looking a little worse for wear right now, we're on the upsweep. Everything's coming together. It's really going to be a really fun finish to the project, and I'm really excited about getting it back on the track. And it's been rough not having a drag car together. But I'm excited about it, and hopefully when I get back from California this week, we're going to start on the motor and actually start building the motor, and I'm going to video that whole process, I promise. Until next time, I'll see you later. I don't know what it is with you and gummy worms.
I love gummy worms, okay?
It's like a weird child fetish thing.
It's not a fetish. It's just gummy.
What if we just drilled a hole in the quarter panel and put an impact on it?
Third try, or third time's a charm, right?
The blade doesn't look very good.
No, you definitely f***ed that guy.
That was a weird thing to say, Garcia.
Yeah, it kind of was, wasn't it?